Good day to everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Sir Mayo Vlogs. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're fine, safe, and healthy. And for today's vlog, I will be presenting to you one of the luckiest and best plants next year. Popular in-demand plant, no other than this splashy Hoya. So what you can see here, guys, I really love the stunning, glossy, glassy foliage of this plant. You'll never regret having this plant in next year 2023. So grab it now. Purchase one online or through your garden shop. You know what, guys? What I do really love about this plant is that it's low tolerant, minimal caring is required, beautiful, stunning foliage, very simple yet exotic, one of a kind, easy to propagate, easy to care for, and what else can I say, guys? You'll never regret having this plant because based on what I read and research, this plant is also one of those house plant next year that will give you abundance, prosperity, and wealth in life. This is a money magnet plant.